So today I'm gonna be working on a couple keychains today because I feel like some of these could be better. This one is fine. My friend actually claimed this one, this cute little Hello Kitty one. She really liked it when I showed it to her. So I'm actually gonna set that one aside. That one doesn't need any help. But I showed her a picture. I told her something about these two. It's these two. I said something doesn't look something looks off about them. So I'm gonna try to rework these. And I'm also gonna try to make some more variations of this bee one because I think it's very cute. And I have a lot of extra of these, and I also have a lot of these flowers, so I could probably make this design again in a couple different iterations. So I'm gonna have some fun doing that with this one. But these two, I feel like need to be reworked. I just feel like the design isn't, I don't know, the cat one, sometimes I look at it and I like it, sometimes I don't. I just feel like we can do better. And then lastly, this Gucci one, super cute. I made this one when I didn't really have that many supplies yet. I was still waiting for all my accent beads, you know, like these and and these, still waiting on more supplies to come to make more variety in my keychains. And but I figured with this one I also can do better, and also have some tags coming that look really similar to this band, like the deer pattern with the florals. Very gorgeous. I have a tag coming that matches this design, so I think it'll be better for me to wait for that to come in so I can pair it with these beads. And thirdly, I want some of these for myself because I looked at them again. I'm like, this is really pretty. This is really pretty. We can do better, and I have more supplies coming that'll match this. So that's like 3 different reasons to take this apart. I really kind of hate to do it. I think this is actually kind of cute as it is, but I feel like we can stretch these beads out more in our own individual keychain instead of just slapping them all on one keychain. So, but have you guys seen this one though? Look how cute this is. This little backpack. How cute is that? This one is absolutely adorable. I love these. They're so cute. The book one's really cute too. I like the book one is a little bit awkward, but it's still really cute. It's like a little open book, and that's the back of it. These are just so gorgeous. I absolutely love these floral deers. I don't really care. I could care less that it's Gucci. I don't know why. A lot of these beads have like Gucci and Louis Vuitton on them. I could care less, but I bought this one because I absolutely love the cute little floral deer. Absolutely beautiful. So excited for the tags that are coming that'll match that. So we'll remake this when that gets here. That's kind of what I'm gonna be working on today, is giving these two a facelift, and then we're gonna murder this one. So that is the goal for today. All right, we've taken this one apart for now. So sad. I'm a little sad about it, but we can do better. Like I said, these beautiful beasts deserve better, so we'll revisit this at a later time. Just got these really beautiful purple hearts in. That'll be really cute with these. I might make a couple of these together. Wouldn't that be pretty? We'll see. There's always like 10 keychains I want to make at one time. When I sit down here, I never know which one to stop and focus on. There's always so much potential. So much. This one has a broken wing. Oh no, I just picked it up. That's so sad. I don't know, should I trash it or try to break this one off to make it match? I don't know. That's so sad. Oh, that was easy. I just snapped it off. There's a little piece and now it kind of matches. So now we have a wingless butterfly. All right, here's the last one. Gotta rework this. I keep looking at this one saying sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't, but this kind of just too much going on. Like the teal in here matches the flowers, the teal and the cow, but the purple doesn't. And then I tried to match the purple because the teal was there, and it's just too much going on. But we're gonna rework this, and then I think this bow, I might be able to find a pink that's slightly better, matches this better once my pink bows come in on Monday. Not my pink bows, but my other bows that come in on Monday. Maybe there'll be a pink that matches the cow a little bit more. So, as much as I kind of hate to do it, I kind of like it. Kind of don't. I feel bad. I don't want to destroy this one, but it kind of just needs to. I wish I could just unravel this instead, but the knots, it's too much of a pain in the butt, you guys, to try to undo that knot. So we're just gonna take the L on the string supplies and unfortunately waste it. So let's try again because I think we can do better.